When someone is bitten by a dog in the state of New York, while the owner is obviously the first person you look to for responsibility in such a setting, there may be other parties or other entities who may have responsibility, whether it be the dog walker or a company you hire to take care of your dog. There may be other avenues of insurance, not just through the owner of the dog, but other people who may have some part in what happened. So it's important to hire someone who understands this and someone who is experienced with this, so they seek out all avenues of recovery and compensation for what happened to you.